Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the latest Supreme Court decision on the Sarfecei Act in India. If you're wondering what Sarfecei is, it stands for Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act. Basically, it's the law that lets banks and financial institutions recover their non-performing assets or bad loans without going through the long court process. So, what did the Supreme Court say in its recent judgment? The court clarified a very important point. Whenever a bank takes possession of a property under the Sarfecei Act, the borrower must be given a proper opportunity to be heard. This means, if your property is about to be seized due to unpaid loans, the bank can't just show up and take it away without giving you a fair chance to present your side. The court also emphasized that banks should strictly follow the procedures under the Act. Another crucial point. The Supreme Court has said that borrowers have the right to appeal actions taken by banks, and these appeals should be considered seriously by the Debt Recovery Tribunal. This makes the process more balanced and ensures that borrowers aren't left helpless against big financial institutions. In short, this decision strengthens the legal protections for borrowers under the Sarfecei Act, while still allowing banks to recover their dues efficiently. It's a win for transparency and fairness in the Indian financial system. That's the latest update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more clear summaries of important legal news. Thanks for watching. Supreme Court Citation: Union Bank of India versus Satyawati Tondon and Ors, 2010, 8 SCC 110. Now that we understand the Supreme Court's decision, let's talk about how to avoid getting your loan classified as an NPA. An NPA means missing payments for more than 90 days. Once that happens, the bank can start recovery under the Sarfecei Act. Stay in regular contact with your bank if you're facing repayment issues. Banks often offer restructuring or temporary relief if you inform them early. Ignoring calls and notices only speeds up NPA. If your account becomes NPA, here's what happens next. The creditor must serve you a notice under Section 13(2). That notice states the amount and gives you 60 days to clear dues or object. You may receive a formal registered letter explaining details and deadline. If you don't respond in 60 days, the bank can move to taking possession. They can't just take your property immediately. Under Section 14, the bank must apply to a magistrate for permission. The magistrate reviews documents and, if satisfied, can authorize possession, sometimes with police help. Quick recap. 1. Bank declares loan an NPA. 1. They send a 60-day notice under Section 13(2). 1. If unresolved, bank applies to magistrate under Section 14. 1. Only after magistrate order can bank take possession. You have rights at each stage. Reply to notices, negotiate with the bank, appeal to the Debt Recovery Tribunal if needed. Being proactive and responding to notices can make a big difference.